Welcome to Korean Linguistic lesson number 8. In our last session, we had seen yes and no in Korean. Yes in Korean is ne. No in Korean is aniyo, or you can use ani. If you are using aniyo means you are telling in a polite way. So with your close friends, you can use ani. In this session, we will see not, how to say not in Korean. The structure for not in Korean is noun plus anieo. Noun plus anieo. Noun plus anieo. Suppose if you want to say it's not water. Is this water? Suppose someone asks, is this water? No, it's not water. So what is water in Korean? Mul. Mul anieo. Mul anieo. Like suppose someone asks you, are you a student? If you are not a student means haksang aniyeyo. Student in Korean is haksang. Student in Korean is haksang. Haksang aniyeyo. Haksang aniyeyo. This is not your bag. Igat gabang aniyeyo. Now today we will see some 10 new verbs. These verbs we will use in our later sessions. These 10 verbs are frequently used verbs by Koreans. Just have a look of all these 10 verbs. First one, to go. What is go in Korean? Gada. What is go in Korean? Gada. See or look or watch. In Korean, boda. Boda. Come. Come. Oda. Sleep. Jada. Sleep. Jada. Give. Juda. Give. Juda. Buy. Sada. Buy. Sada. Meet. Mannada. Meet. Mannada. Do. Hada. Do. Hada. Drink. Masida. Drink. Masida. Eat. Magda. Eat. Magda. Again, some important nouns. Park. What is park in Korean? Gongwan. Park. Gongwan. Restaurant. Shikdang. Restaurant. Shikdang. Hagyo. School. School in Korean is Hagyo. Hagyo. Hospital. Byongwon. Hospital. Byongwon. Market. Shijang. Market. Shijang. Friend. Chingu. Friend. Chingu. Movie. Yanghua. Yanghua. Library. Dosakwan. Dosakwan. Coffee shop. Kapis shop. Coffee shop. Kapis shop. Store shop in Korean is gage. Gage. See, what is today in Korean? Onul. Today in Korean, onul. Tomorrow, nail. Tomorrow in Korean, nail. Yesterday, aje. Yesterday, aje. We already seen in our last session sentence ending expressions. Sentence ending expressions or EAO or AO. We know the sentence structure in Korean. Subject plus object plus verb. Verb should come at the end of a sentence. Not only this, any sentence, the verb should come at the end of the sentence only. So today is Friday. Here the helping verb is. So is should come at the end of the sentence. So today, what is today in Korean? Onul. Friday. Friday is gumyoil. So now gumyoil, see this syllable. This syllable ended with consonant. So if the syllable ended with consonant means it should followed by EAO. Next, coming to next line. Tomorrow is Saturday. What is tomorrow in Korean? Nail. Saturday, toyoil. Saturday is toyoil. Again, the syllable is ended with la. La means consonant. So it should be followed by EAO. So today is Friday. Onul, gumyoil, EAO. Tomorrow is Saturday. Nail, toyoil, EAO. These two sentences are very easy. Next. Singular, plural. Student. What is student in Korean? Haksang. Now students. Students means, what is plural form student? Dul. Most of the time Koreans never use the plural forms. For student they use haksang. Again for students also most of the time they use haksang. They won't show any difference between singular and plural. But actually the original form of a plural form of a noun is dul. Dul. Again he. What is he in Korean? Gu. Suppose he is playing. That time for instead of he you have to use in Korean is gu. Suppose they are playing. Suppose all boys are playing. So who are playing? They're all belongs to boys. So they're all boys. So that time he means they means plural form is gudul. What is they in Korean? Gudul. Book, chak, books, chakdul. Friend, chingu. Friends, chingudul. But in sentences and all, you no need to mention the plural word dul in sentence while you are writing sentences. Most of the time 90% Koreans they never use plural in any sentence. If for friend they write chingu. Again for friends also they use the word chingu only. They won't show any difference. We've seen these verbs and nouns in coming sessions, coming videos. We all use those nouns and verbs. In coming sessions means present tense, past tense, future tense, progressive tenses, marking particles, location particles, everywhere we will use those 10 verbs and the nouns